Hey y'all. What time is it? It's 12:08. I just left. I had to go downtown to renew my business license. So yeah, that's what I do. Look at my nails, super cute. I'm ready to take them off already. Yeah, I'm just so weird. But as y'all know, I went to Sam's yesterday. Got some stuff. But yeah. So this is how my refrigerator looks. And I'm just over it. Like, I just want something small. So I'm gonna ask somebody in here if they need a fridge or want a fridge, whatever. And we're just gonna go from there. But my client is at 1, so I'm about to put these stuff up. I got paper towel, all that stuff. I still gotta get some juice, but I'm gonna go to Walmart. I'm gonna go to Walmart and get some juice. Yeah. I'm going to Walmart and get some juice and stuff like that. So I still have cups in here, but in this little thing, in here, what was I gonna put in here? Oh, I'm gonna put my mints in here. That's what's in here. And then this is like, I ordered this for like my cubes, my ice cubes to go in here. And that was a waste of money. This little bin from Shein. So I'm gonna just clean it out and then we're gonna put the snacks and stuff in here. And I'm gonna do a montage because y'all guys, I don't gotta talk while I'm doing it. Hey y'all, so I'm in my suite. I just got in here. It is I need to keep up with the time because it's 12:22. My client is at 1 o'clock and we about to unbox my I don't remember the last thing I was talking to y'all about because it's been a couple days. I'm not even gonna cap to y'all. But yeah, I got my new lights. I ordered this from Amazon. So many different companies are selling this light, and I'm just like, shoot, they all do the same thing, right? So yeah, we just got to open it up and see how it looks since y'all, this light is huge. This thing is. Y'all, is it supposed to be this big? Or am I tripping? I might be tripping. You probably do that. Really? Okay. Can see. Okay. Look how it looks. It looks nice. I like it. Alright, y'all. Moment of truth. I mean, okay. It's. Oh my gosh. My phone's dropping. My floors. I need to get my floors done. It's okay. How it looks. I mean, it's bright. Let's turn my ring light off and see. Like, could I still? Okay, so alright. It's still good. Maybe I need to take this little plastic off of it. But yeah. These little knobs over here, you change the brightness of it so it can be brown. I mean not brown, orange, like medium, and then white. And you dim it like this. And you lighten it up. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna still need this in here though, because I don't know, it just lighten it up in here. But this will be better for like my pictures and me recording my videos and stuff. So yeah, I like this new light. I'm gonna see if I can record, like, I'd be able to put my phone up here. I could put my phone up here to like do videos when I'm doing like TikToks and stuff. Oh, this is perfect. This is perfect for when I'm doing TikToks, because I can just move it back or however. Yes, because I'm doing my nails today, so I wanted a new, let's test it out. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and set up and clean this out because this looks a mess. I'm gonna go ahead and clean that out. And y'all just gonna watch me do that. Y'all like this. I mean, it's cute. It's cute. Even though I do have a phone stand, but I'm gonna probably still be using this. Or whatever.
Now listen, daughter. Pay attention, pray and listen. Hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar. They will haunt you, they will kill you. Keep you hostage, king will heal you. Before him, adore him. He will give you everything. Come and take your Can't keep going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back to what I used to know.
Hey y'all, so it's a couple days later. I'm in Walmart right now because I want to make the little junk cases, phone cases. Found a case, y'all know it's in a thing because people be stealing. So I'm gonna just get 2 of these clear cases, and then yeah, I really want this one, but it's $16. Like, this stuff is expensive. No cap. Okay, so she rang me up back there or whatever. I don't know. She seemed like she had a little attitude. I don't know what's that about, but yes. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get in the car. I'm in a suite now. Yeah, I'm in a suite now. Whatever. Like I told y'all earlier, I got this big package from Shein, so I'm about to go ahead and open it up. And I want to go ahead and make my case. It's 3 something. My client at 4:30, so go ahead and get into it. First thing I see is a bag full of brushes. So what I was doing is making aftercare kits for my clients and giving it to them after the appointments and stuff. So that's what those are for. I ordered a ring light, which I did not have to order, but it looks like this. This little part can go on the camera, and then this part, I guess, for the phone or whatever, but now I have 2. I ordered this little thing. I don't know what this was for. I should have went to Tammy. I should have went to nail supply store while I was up there. Because, yes, dang, I had need to go there. So this is a little 3 little compartment thing. So what I was gonna do is put like my spot tablets in here, my sea salt in here, and then probably like my sugar scrub in here, and put it on my cart because I want to redo my cart, y'all. I'm tired of it. Like, I'm over it. Oh, I got a little trash can, a little mini trash can to put on my cart as well. So we gonna redo this cart another day. We is not doing it today because I don't feel like that. Now I got a bunch of cuticle oils for my clients too. So with a puncher, so when my clients come back to me and they bring their loyalty cards, I'll punch it for them. And this one is a heart one, so it's super cute. And I got is a white mat. This is for my table because my mat is a mess. It looks a mess, so I had to get a new mat, a wax pen, because the wax pen that I have, it just keeps getting messy and it's white. And yeah, I just needed a new one. So it looks like this, and then you can use this side to like move the crystals together, and then like this. So yeah. I got some disposable gloves. So y'all need some supplies, get it off Shein. They're way cheaper than Amazon. Way cheaper. I'm trying to tell y'all are going to save your money. Period. What has saved me time when doing sets is having an LED light. So this is a smaller one. So this is great when I have, oh, it's already on. I love that. And I can just charge it. So when I'm doing like toe sets and I'm putting gems on the toes or whatever, if I need to cure it real quick, this. So this is going on my nail art. Now I got some buffers. Needed some more buffers. Next thing are these little, like, I don't know if y'all can see it. They're like little clear little jars. It's for, what was it for? Sugar scrub, I think. I'm gonna put in for my bag or whatever. And then the rest of these stuff is like some nail charms. So y'all can't really see them, but they like little hearts, little cherry hearts or whatever. That I got a new nail bit. I got these little lips. Even though Valentine's Day is over, it's still cute. And then I got these little spoons for this compartment. So that's what that is gonna be for. And I got a new set of pushers because some of my pushers are rusted, and that's because when you leave it in the barbicide and then you put it in the sterilizer, it's gonna rust, and that's what happened. So I need to change them out. Now I got some more nail charms. These are more lips and stuff. Yeah, I can see them, but yeah. Now we're about to get into making my case, and I need to hurry up before my client get here. So let me go ahead and put all this stuff up, and then we can get into making my phone case.
Now listen, daughter, pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar. They will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage. King will heal you before him, adore him. He will give you everything. Come and take your wedding, going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road.
This case will be called the kawaii case. Super cute. So I don't know if I would do like a mimic of this case, or just do like just random junk, a random junk case. Because if somebody requests this, like, would I do it for this exact same case? Like, would people like, or would it really matter as long as I use like some of the charms that I use on here? I don't know, we're gonna see, but my case is super cute, and I know people gonna be looking at my case that, yes girl, I made it. Y'all, I'm about to go ahead and clean up. I just finished doing my client nails or whatever she gotta film, and they look super cute. I don't know why I keep saying that. Super cute. Y'all, that is it for today. I don't know if I'm gonna add to this video or what, but that's it for right now. I don't really have nothing else to talk about. See, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get home. Hey y'all, so I forgot to do an outro again. I'm sorry. I was supposed to film when I got back home. I don't know what happened. I can't even tell you. But y'all, these are old clips. So if y'all see me wearing the same thing, just know that I film 2 or 3 videos in one day. I do that. I don't know why I do that, but that's what happened. Okay, so I think after this video, this is the last old video that I have, and then I have recent videos that I did, because you'll see my hair is like this in those videos. So yeah, but that is really it for this video. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. Follow me on all my social medias, and I'm gonna see you on the next video. Bye.